Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty. I'm located in Columbia, Missouri, and it's in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today, I'm proud to show you a listing at 4311 Forum Boulevard. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath with 2 half baths, along with a 2-car garage in a split-level build tucked away in the southwest. Entering and passing this half bathroom, our step-down living room offers beautiful brickwork with a gas fireplace, custom built-in shelves, and this door steps out to our fully fenced backyard and deck.
Here's our formal dining room, which flows into our kitchen.
Open, roomy, with this eat-in area and another custom built-in. Moving up, this level holds our master suite only. Our bedroom is huge, open, and now our master bathroom. Tub shower combo, and this true walk-in closet. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3, our upper level full bathroom, and this conveniently placed washer and dryer area. Landing downstairs, an additional family room, complete with more custom built-ins, this half bath, and check out this shop. Perfect for storage or the hobbyist. 4311 Forum Boulevard has great curb appeal, a long, level driveway and 2-car garage, a large backyard that sits under mature trees with a great back deck and pergola, all overlooking a private golf course.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. That's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.